pain. Any type, anywhere. Just get relief 30 second. M.D.SU-JOK Therapy Pakistan. Pain treatment. For head migraine, neck, cervical, shoulders, sciatica, back pain, knee pain, arm joints pain, legs, etc. Special treatment. Heart disease, kidney disease, any cancer, etc. Fast, easy, effective, economical, safe, and drugless. Contact us. Treatment and training. Sujok Pakistan Efficacious Treatment and Training Center in Karachi. Web, www.sujokpakistan.com. Email, sujokpakistan@yahoo.com. WhatsApp #+92 311 08 208 70 70.